I have several A-list actors that I teach in Hollywood to help them master the American accent. They pay me a lot of money for this information I'm about to share with you on this video. Hey, I'm Gabriel from GB Voice Academy, your accent reduction coach to help you get that much closer to mastering the American accent. To get access to all of my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check out my 5-star best-selling accent reduction course, as well as my other 5-star best-selling communication courses. What is the one common thing these Americans have that makes them sound so laid back, relaxed, flowy, even the ability to speak fast? Because we all know Americans speak fast, and it can be mind-blowing and intimidating. But the one common thing that I find a lot of accents, particularly Indian, Chinese, Russian, and many others, they tend to put a lot of emphasis on consonants. They make the consonants the star of a word, versus when Americans speak, the vowels take priority. I want you to imagine you're looking at a picture frame, and the vowel is the picture. The consonants is just the frame. It's an afterthought. The vowels are the star of the show. Now let's look at some examples here. Look at this word here. This could be a tongue twister and quite intimidating for a lot of people. And a lot of people would hit those consonants really hard. Fundamental. Fundamental. I'm not allowing the air and the openness to allow those vowels to come out. Fundamental. So do you see what I'm doing? It's sort of like a relaxed, easygoing dude. Here's something I teach my A-list actor clients that I want to share with you. You know surfer dudes? We see them all, right? In California, those guys are just like hanging out by the beach. Do you notice that everything just sounds more relaxed and calmed down? Kind of sounds like we're drunk or high. Now, I don't want you to sound like them, but there's something we could learn from these surfer dudes. It's that relaxed openness that allows these vowels to flow. Because if we have these consonants in the way, fundamental, they become like speed bumps that won't allow us to sail or surf through these words. So get into the mindset of surfer dudes by the beach. Because what happens when I relax everything? Put your hands right here, under here. And now do it that really harsh way that we did earlier. Fundamental. Okay, I'm exaggerating, and I don't mean to sound like I'm making fun of an accent, but I really want to go extreme so you could hear the differences of what I'm talking about. Try it again. Fundamental. What's happening? Do you notice that your muscles are really tense? We're using a lot of muscles. Unnecessarily. We can't possibly speak like this for a long period of time without losing our voice. Now do the same thing, put your hands under here, and just relax. Imagine you're by the beach, just chilling out, and say with me, fundamental. Did you hear that L? Fundamental? No, hardly at all. Fundamental. Hear that? Fundamental. See how it's actually easier to go faster now with this relaxed, flowy sound? Fundamental. A fundamental analysis. It just kind of flows right out. So you got to start rethinking about how you approach these words. But what you do here are the vowels. Fundamental. Even that L becomes a vowel. Oh, hear that? Good, now stick around because at the end, I'm gonna put these and other words into structured sentences so we could combine everything we're learning so what I teach you stays in your head. Let's look at another word. Eliminate. Eliminate. Again, I'm exaggerating, I'm making funny faces, but this is for you to learn. Put your hands here. Eliminate. Tight, isn't it? I hear consonants, I don't hear any of the vowels. Let's put on the surfer dude. Eliminate. Eliminate. Did you hear that L at all? Or the T? Eliminate. Versus eliminate. Can't possibly surf your way through these sentences when you're too tight like that. Eliminate. Eliminate. See how easy that is? It feels weird, I know. It sounds like you can't possibly think that I'm gonna go out there and sounding like that. But this is one of the many things I teach on this channel, things that you could do to make you sound natural. A lot of these videos I talk about precision, hitting these American targets precisely. You must do that as well. But when you're leveling up, once you have those American targets that I teach in my 5-star course, the next step is to be able to flow through them, relaxed like a surfer dude. Nice, now let's go to another one that stumps a lot of my clients. Right, a lot going on here. And I'm gonna do it the way I hear all the time. Curiosity, curiosity, tight curiosity. I hear the COMMUNICATOR. Relax. Surfer dude, open everything up. Curiosity. You hear that openness? Curiosity, dude. Feels weird, but go with it. Go with the flow. Curiosity. And by the end of that word, my mouth is open, not closed. Curiosity. Curiosity. You're doing great. A few more, and then we're going to put all these into action, so stick around. Here's another word used a lot, but I want you to try it out. Relaxed and surfeited. That's right. Responsibility. Responsibility. See how nice and relaxed that L was? Did you hear any L's or T's in there? Or P's? Responsibility. Responsibility. Relaxed. Good, very good. So you're getting the hang of this. I know it feels weird, but make that weirdness the new normal, okay? You gotta change your mindset. Now here's a word that I hear a lot. Development. Development. Now how do we fix that? How do we surfer dude our way to a nice, relaxed development? Development. Development. Relaxed. I know it sounds weird when I say it slow like that, but if I put it in a sentence, our team focuses on development. See how it kind of fits in there? Versus our team focuses on development. No. Relax, flowy. Good. Here's another one. Recreational. Recreational. Relax. Recreational. Recreational. Open, relaxed. No L, right? Just chill. Recreational. Getting the hang of it. Good. I don't promote smoking up. I just use that as a prop. Don't do that. It's very bad. Next one. Stimulate. Stimulate. I'm hitting that L and T way too hard. How do we fix that? Stimulate. Stimulate. Yeah, feel that? Nice and relaxed. Open. Remember that in our mother tongues, these harsh consonants are probably a priority, right? A lot of well, that's the opposite here. The focus when speaking American is those vowels, those open, relaxed vowels. Vowels. Did you hear the L at all in that? No. How about at all? Did you hear the L in that? No. So you see the pattern that's going on that you have to start getting used to? Couple more. You're doing great. Intellect. Intellect. Or intellect. Intellect. Relaxed, open, no muscle stimulation. This is a good gauge to see whether you're tensing up or not. If you feel tense, relax. Good. Final one before the bonus round. Activities. Activities. Versus activities. Activities. Dude, love these activities. Very good. See, nice. Let's put some sentences together with what we learned and see if we could remember how to sail, surf our way through these big, intimidating words. Here's the first one. Give it a shot on your own before I help you. And don't forget, you have this here as an option to see if you're tightening up. Good. Don't eliminate his responsibility. See how easy it is to flow from one sound to the next this way? Don't eliminate his responsibility. Versus, don't eliminate his responsibility. There's no way we could speak flowy and fast that way. We have too many speed bumps in the way that stop the fluidity. Versus, don't eliminate his responsibility. Now, am I going too much on the surfer dude? Maybe. We're not going to go out and say, don't eliminate his responsibility. We're not going to do that. But it's an exercise, like all of my other videos, where I tend to go a little extreme. It's like when you go to the gym. When you go to the gym, we're going to lift extreme weights. So then there's development. Development. Same here. we're going extra far. So now as you're practicing, you'll be like, you know what? Maybe I could surfer dude that up a bit and just chill. You know what I mean? Excellent. Next one. Got a lot going on here. Nice and slow and surfer dude. Curiosity is fundamental to stimulate growth. Okay? One more time. Curiosity is fundamental to stimulate growth. A little faster. Curiosity is fundamental to stimulate growth. See how easier that is to flow through that? If I had those L's and those T's, curiosity is fundamental to stimulate growth. There's no way. Next one. This is the big one. Grand finale. Go for it. Yes. Nice and relaxed. Surfer dude. If you feel tightness, give it a check. Recreational activities help with the development of the intellectual mind. Very relaxed, very chill, right? You just want to like hit the beach. One more time, a little more fluid. Recreational activities help with the development of the intellectual mind. Good, a little more in real time. Recreational activities help with the development of the intellectual mind. Now this is pretty advanced stuff we're doing here, right? There's a lot we need to do fundamentally to get to this level. They're all in my video as well as my course. But I know a lot of you who have been watching my videos and listening to me are ready for this. If you've been following with me, we're taking this journey together to get you that much closer to mastering the American accent.